Good morning everyone. I hope that we are all good. And so here is the 2009 Vortice extractor fan again. It's just running, I've just got it running at the moment because I had a shower and I just got it on for a bit just to extract some of the steam out, plus got the window open. So yeah, so at the moment it sounds alright. I can detect somewhere in there it's got the little little tap 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 noise, that tap 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 tick tick tick. I can't remember what it sounds like, but something, yeah, you might be able to hear it. Anyway, well, hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See ya.